bases norteamericanas en otros países. A ver si aquí puede venir el disparo. ¡Nicholson! ¡Qué golazo! ¡Qué golazo! ¡Gol! ¡De Jamaica! Shamar Nicholson la prendió sabroso.
Jamaica pushing into the final third. Lifted through. Chance now headed in. Orgill. Jamaica leads at home.
Oh, the 4-0 win over Cayman Islands. Ball sent in and back of the net. Side. Cutting back. Bailey striking it. 5-0. Kamar Lawrence back towards the spot. Deflected shot and an opening goal for Jamaica. Devin Williams.
So Lamar Walker on the top of the area. He does find Fletcher. Fletcher on his left foot. Shot from Fletcher, and it's the opening goal for the Jamaicans. Expertly dispatched by Jordan Fletcher, who was set up on top of the D by Lamar Walker.
What a goal by Johnson. Well worked move, and with the left foot bent it into the top corner. One of the great goals you'll see. Look at the bend on that. Lionel Messi would have been smiling at that. Johnson swerves it in. Now Yami could do nothing.
Low. Gray. And Low with a chance. It's a lovely finish because you have an attacking set piece that you don't win possession here, but now you've got numbers. You've got 4 against 2. You've completely slowed down the play. Jamal Lowe coming in late here, and what a fantastic chip.
Atención, cuidado, se confió Najar, justo Najar, hace rebotar la pelota, cuidado, acá le queda en el rebote el disparo, gol. ¡Gol! Selección. Y por favor, pero es terrible lo que hace Honduras defensivamente, lo de Pérez. El centro que viene, cuidado, la posibilidad para el segundo la tiene Jamaica, si la hace bien puede ser, viene el disparo, ¡gol! ¡Gol! Esta pelota cruzada y el aguante de espalda al arco de muy buena factura de Gray para que apareciera con total tranquilidad. Fisher
no siguió luchando. Aquí lo tenemos, a ver, ahí va, es lo que le decía, una de esas es todo lo que necesita este hombre. Ahí va Antonio, sigue Antonio, viene, la picó, gol, gol de Jamaica, lo hizo Mijael Antonio. La jugada que reclamamos desde el primer tiempo, una campo abierto para que encare, para que se lleve a su marcador con potencia y defina. Ahí la tiene, 1-0 Jamaica.
Yo le dije que había entrado con...
no quita lo que vimos antes.
No, pero
esta era la jugada que necesitaba.
Deja pagando a Domínguez y después ahí como cambia de ritmo y después ante la salida.
Rebel Morrison. Shot by Morrison, it's a goal! 2-1. Looked a bit of deflection there of Brian Acosta. Good shot by Ravel Morrison. Jamaica has turned it around and leads it 2-1 right at the break.
Ah, peut-être une action de contre-attaque seulement. Le repli défensif camerounais. Il agit tout de suite, il n'est pas hors jeu du tout. C'est le but de la Jamaïque. Ouverture du score de l'équipe venue d'Amérique. Une signature de Justin McMaster. Jamaica have scored. And McMaster Justin, who plays for United States, Minnesota United, scored that goal.
Here's Mikel Antonio, surrounded in the end, but he keeps the play alive. Bailey out wide. Damari Gray scores! Jamaica appear to be on their way to getting the points. Oh, they have him now. The shot takes a wicked deflection on the way through. Jamaica do score a fourth, and they have secured the 3 points in this group. Still thinking about it. Can find the space in the air, but it's played in nicely. Chance for the shot. Oh, it's crept in. Deshaun Bernard scores for Jamaica. It's his first international goal for his country. And Jamaica get off to the perfect second half start, and they lead by 3-0. Russell, Bailey, lovely little back heel. It's Russell, it's 2-0. Jonathan Russell scores his first international goal for Jamaica. And Jamaica are very much in charge now. They lead 2-0. Certainly worth another look on the replay here. Jamaica's persistence has certainly paid off in this first half. They are 2 to the good in Cali tonight.
It's Gray with space. Gray plays it through. Here's Bell! Gray to Bell. A 1-0 lead for Jamaica. Amari Bell's first goal for his country in his 14th cap puts them a step away from the semi-final.
Second half, we'll see the Soca Warriors run flat. But guess who didn't? Reggae Boyz and Dixon finding a way past Adrian Fonset in goal. The 19-year-old former Clarendon man getting a goal for the Jamaica senior team. Much mentioned of Dixon as a future talent.
And Reed is by the end line and serves it in front, and it's an early goal. What an incredible start. The Reggae Boyz are crashing the party. 30 seconds in, they may be under strength, they may be underdogs, they don't care. They lead the Nations League final 1-0. Step overs and the strike. What a hit. Opening goal for Jamaica. The Reggae Boyz take the lead in this third place match. Outstanding technique. Sweet, sweet strike. Bending away from Mosquera, who could only stretch and frantically grab at the air.